Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher, the leaders of one curriculum, one nation. Today our lesson is for English A, that is playgroup. So you need the textbook for English A, the workbook for playgroup A, and the summer pack for playgroup, which is class A. So let's start the lesson. Today's lesson is for letter A, playgroup. The lesson is on textbook page number 16. This is how your page looks like. There are some pictures, a story, a song, and some notes for the teachers. Objective of today's lesson is to identify small a, its sound, action and vocabulary. यानी इस लेसन के बाद हम इस काबिल हो जाएंगे कि हम स्मॉल ए की शक्ल, उसकी आवाज़, उसकी वोकैबलरी और वो एक्शंस परफॉर्म करके दिखा सकेंगे जो इस लेटर के साथ कनेक्टेड है. लेसन नंबर 1 is for the skill listening. Skill is listening, so we have a story first. So let's listen to an interesting story. On Sunday, Mom, Dad, Alishba and Anoral went for a picnic. Alishba loved to do art. She took her art box with her. Anoral loves to play with her toy animals. She was making a farm full of animals. Suddenly, one real ant climbed her arm and she said, "Up, up, up." Can you look at this little ant climbing her arm? And is she saying, "Up, up, up"? So listen again. The storyline is taken from your book. On Sunday, Mom, Dad, Alishba and Anoral went for a picnic. Alishba loves to do art. She took her art box with her. Anoral loves to play with her toy animals. She was making a farm full of animals and insects. Suddenly, one real ant climbed her arm and she said, "Up, up, up." This story is right here on your book, page number 16. Now we are done with the story today. Let's move on to some homework which you will do after this lesson. This is the page of your book where you can see you have to color this ant right here. You only have to color this ant. You will take a color pencil and you will slowly color yourself in your ant. I hope you will share this story with your parents at home and you will tell them that you have learned about ants today. So thank you and see you soon with the next lesson. Until then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.